Today is Wednesday, the 24th of January 2018. As you can see, I'm at the Morelo factory in Schlüsselfeld in northern Bavaria. I was at the CMT trade fair for 10 days. On Monday I went to a factory which makes parts for motorhomes. Tuesday, yesterday, I was in Offenbach, just south of Frankfurt, and I saw somebody who was making electric vehicles from diesel and petrol ones, old vehicles, and he's converting them. He's converting things like Trabant, VW, California he's doing right now, and Volvos and all sorts of other vehicles. That you can see later. At the moment I'm here and we've got this fantastic array of vehicles. Some of these are owned by people, some of them are coming back from the CMT trade fair. And yesterday I was taken around the factory, which was absolutely fantastic for me. Some of the things I saw there, ideas I'd never thought of, and so that will make some of my criticism of other firms even stronger, because well, I didn't know and now I do know, and I shall be telling more in videos as I do it. Now we're going to be filming a bit in here today, so you'll be able to see those films a bit later. But as I'm here at the moment, and I'm going to put this film up right now, if you've got any questions, you've got to get them now to me, and I'll put them to the company. If not, you'll have to wait until I see them the next time. So we've got some of the range here. We've got the Palace there. Or most of them are palaces, in fact. We've got the Loft and the Home. And the Empire. Right, and some of these vehicles can cost up to €1.5 million. Okay, right, so I shall now go in, and you can look forward to seeing some of the videos from here in the future. Oh, and you'll notice this time I didn't actually film my own van. I was a bit embarrassed about it being amongst these other vans, and I've hidden it down there at the very end, but I pushed it further back so it wasn't visible. I tried to hide it, but it's in there.